As generative AI systems move from demos into real production, a common question comes up. Is MLOps enough, or do we need something new called LLM-ops? In this video, I'll explain the real difference between MLOps and LLM-ops, and what actually changes when operating generative AI systems in production. Let's start with MLOps. MLOps focuses on managing traditional machine learning models. This includes data pipelines, model training, versioning, deployment, monitoring, and retraining. The core assumption in MLOps is that models are relatively stable once deployed. They take structured inputs and produce predictable outputs. Now let's look at what changes with large language models. LLM-based systems are fundamentally different. They generate open-ended text, not fixed predictions. Their behavior is heavily influenced by prompts, context, and retrieved data. This introduces new operational challenges that traditional MLOps does not fully address. This is where LLM-ops comes in. LLM-ops does not replace MLOps. It builds on top of it. The first major difference is prompt management. In GenAI systems, prompts are part of the logic. Small changes in prompts can significantly change outputs. LLM-ops requires versioning, testing, and monitoring prompts just like code. The second difference is data flow. LLM-based systems often use external context through RAG pipelines. This means embeddings, vector databases, and retrieval logic become part of the operational system. Managing data freshness and retrieval quality is now an operational responsibility. The third difference is evaluation. In traditional ML, evaluation is based on metrics like accuracy or precision. In GenAI systems, outputs are unstructured and subjective. LLM-ops introduces new evaluation strategies, such as human feedback, quality scoring, and automated checks. Another major change is monitoring. Monitoring GenAI systems is not just about latency or errors. You also need to monitor hallucinations, harmful outputs, drift in responses, and user feedback. This requires new tooling and new thinking. Cost management is another key difference. LLM-based systems can be expensive to run. Token usage, prompt length, and retrieval size all directly affect cost. LLM-ops treats cost as a first-class operational metric. Security and compliance also become more complex. Sensitive data may flow through prompts, retrieve documents, and model outputs. LLM-ops requires stricter controls, auditing, and safeguards. From a production perspective, this is why many GenAI projects struggle. Teams try to apply traditional MLOps practices without adapting to the unique behavior of LLMs. As a result, systems become unstable, expensive, and hard to maintain. From a career perspective, this shift is important. Companies don't expect everyone to invent new LLM-ops frameworks, but they do expect engineers to understand how operating GenAI systems is different from traditional ML. Understanding LLM-ops means you understand how real-world GenAI systems are actually run. If you understand the difference between MLOps and LLM-ops, you are already ahead of most people working with generative AI. If this explanation helped clarify MLOps versus LLM-ops for you, subscribe to Practical GenAI. I share weekly videos on generative AI, MLOps, and AI careers, explained simply and practically.